Hello, everyone. This is Costas, and you know, I'm gonna show you to this short video how you can use the URL Rotator plugin. Um, there are many people asking because, as I understand, here to the main page of the product. You can't check the plugin, and there is no demo site so that you can play around. I promise I'm gonna work on that, and because I'm preparing some other plugins too, I'm gonna work on that, and I'm gonna have a demo site so that you can test this kind of plugins. The URL Rotator plugin came up as I was checking and trying to use something from the ready-made plugins. There is some services that you can leverage and work with rotators, but most of them, they were giving errors, or they were the links that I was adding were not approved, or it was malfunction. There were malfunctioning. Okay, so I created this particular WP URL Rotator plugin, and I'm going to show you right away how easy it is to use it. In fact, uh, it's uh, um, compatible with all the latest versions of WordPress, and I'm gonna show you right away here to my AI Tool Detective website. Let me show you here to the at home that I'm using the latest version of WordPress. Let me show you here. Okay, I'm gonna go to the update so that you can see the latest version. Um, you see, I got the version updated today. It's 23 of August, and I got the 6.8.2. It's the last version of WordPress. There is no reason to worry about the updates of WordPress, as in case there is a new version, I'm gonna fix the version of the one I'm using too, and you're gonna be able just to get the update for free. Okay, so let me show you now. You see here, when you install the plugin, you're gonna see the URL Rotator. Okay, let's click here, and I'm gonna show you that it's really simple. I'm gonna close all those updates, okay, from other plugins. If you're an administrator to any website or to your own website, this is something that you deal daily. You see too many updates over there. So over here, you see that I got the rotators. I got what I need. You see, I got the date that it was published. I got the rotator link over here, and the all the links that I connected to this particular rotator link. And in fact, I can even improve the SEO details of this link if it's somebody wants to do something like that, because usually we just use the rotators to email links, or to any other reasons, or even to banners. I got another very interesting plugin that I created with banners, and trust me, it's really interesting for advertising, and really interesting if you're dealing with affiliate marketing. Let me show you here. You see here, you see that you already checked that I use JVZ, JVZoo links and Warrior Plus links. Um, I'm going to show you something here, how easy it is to create a rotator. You see, you click here, add new rotator. Okay, when you click add new rotator, you just have to add a title for your rotator to recognize it and be able to edit. And you just start adding your links. As you can see here, we got uh, another field that it's in fact the counter of how many times this particular link was clicked. Okay, uh, it's really interesting, and you might want to be able to check how many times this particular link was clicked. So the only thing that you have to do with this plugin, you just add your links over here, and then you just give a description about this link. You can even name the opportunity. I'm going to show you one of the already made here links that I already use. Let's go to a more one that it doesn't has so many links, but we can work even with one of those. Okay, let's use this one. You see, this one is it's called aitooldetective.com traffic recommendations. The last part, it has to do with the slug that you're gonna give uh, to your link rotator. Okay, so if I click, let's click edit, you're gonna see that I have all the links here, and I have the names of all these opportunities that I am promoting. Okay, so you can just add your rotator links. You add the links over here. You get a rotator link over here. You can use this one, but this one it reveals that there is a rotator. Okay, you can easily use this link. Let me show you that I can just copy this one. Sorry. So if I copy this link and just open a new um, tab over here and paste the link, you're gonna see that it just gives every time it's gonna give a new link, and sometimes it's gonna give even the same link because it keeps there is the caching, and it might show the same link many times. But at the moment, as you can see, that every time that I put this link over here, it's just rotating and shows a new link. Okay, um, so it's that simple. In fact, what I said, it's if you use this link, it says URL rotator, okay, / traffic recommendation. You can edit this link and change the last part that is the slug, in fact, of this rotator. Um, on the other hand, you can easily go to all rotators, and you're going to see that the main link created for this particular rotator, you can use it without the URL rotator in the between. Okay, if you want to recognize it, you can use the one that I showed you, and the one that you can find inside the links. But if you want just to use it without revealing that it's a rotator, it's this one. Let me show you here. You can just click and link, and so as you can see, you can use this link that it has just the slug and the name of your website, your domain, and it's more user friendly. Okay, and it doesn't reveal that it's a rotator. So it's so simple and so easy to use this plugin. It's really very convenient, and you're gonna it's gonna help you a lot to your campaigns. And as you can see, you can even see how many clicks you had to each of those links. Let me show you even this link, how it works. I just um, copy and paste over here and just click enter, and you're gonna see now I have a new link from all those links that I have added to this rotator. In fact, all the job is done from the plugin, and you just get a random link from the rotator. Let me do that once again so that you can see that it just gives another link. So if you enjoyed this video, you can click like and subscribe to my channel. You're gonna see a lot of interesting tools and a lot of interesting plugins. And if you found this plugin handy and you think that it's useful for your campaigns, you can easily find it over here to fspirits.com, and you can go on and buy it. You can just use your PayPal and get this plugin. You're gonna buy once and you use forever. No monthly fees, no other hidden fees. And in case you have any kind of problem with your version, just let me know, and I will give you an update to this amazing tool. But trust me, I'm testing and already using this plugin. So in case there is any reason to update, you're gonna have it much earlier. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.